happy to have you with today. Technology has become a part of your daily lives. From studying message and attending online class to watching movie, browsing social media, or playing online games, we rely on the internet almost every day.
That absolutely true. Most of us use the internet without really thinking about how it actually works. We simply open an app, click a button, and everything happens almost instantly.
Actually, behind of that confusion, there are system working solution to make sure our device stay connected and our data reaches the right destination. Today, we are going to explore the system which is known as computer network.
Well, also talk about the different type of network, how data travel from one device to another, and why network security is so important in today's digital world.
Sound interesting. So, before we dive deeper, could you explain what a computer network actually is?
Of course, simple but computer network is a system that connect to our more devices so they can share data, resource, and communicate with each other. Think of it like a highway where the data is the traffic traveling from one place to another.
That's a great example, but I don't know there are different type of the network. What is difference?
The two most common types are LAN and WAN. A LAN or local area network covers a small area such as a home, school, campus, or office. It's used to connect devices within the same location.
So, what about the internet that we ask every day?
The internet is an example of a WAN or wide area network. A WAN covers a much larger area and connect network across cities, countries, and even continents. In fact, the internet is made up of millions of small networks connected through fiber optic cables, terrestrial network, and satellites.
That's really interesting. But how does the data we send actually reach the right destination?
It's a war because of two important things, data packet and IP addresses.
Why does it need to the there?
Whether because sending smaller packet is faster and more efficient. Its packet is labeled with the sender's IP address and receiver's IP address. Then, a device called a router chooses the best path for its packet to travel. Once all the packets arrive, they put back together the receive the original file. The amazing part is that this entire processing happens in just a few milliseconds.
So our data travels through many different threads. How do we keep it safe?
That's where network security or cybersecurity comes in. One important tool is firewall, which filter network traffic and block harmful connection. Another is encryption, which turns data into a secret code. This means only the internet recipient can read it.
Wow, it's amazing to realize there's sometimes as simple as sending message or browsing the internet involves such a complex process. Today, we learned the computer network are not just about connecting devices. They also make communication faster and sharing share and online activity more secure. Thank you so much for sharing. your knowledge today. I hope our listeners now have a better understanding of your computer network.
You're welcome. I hope this discussion encourages everyone to appreciate the technology we use every day and maybe even inspire some of you to learn more about networking.
Thank you everyone who joined us today. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast. I am Aldi and I am the host here. I am with my friend Devina today. How are you doing?
Hi Aldi. I'm doing well. Thank you for inviting me. How about you?
I am doing well. I am happy you are here. Before we start, I have a question.
Okay, what is this about?
Honestly, how many times do you check your phone every day?
I don't know. Maybe every day.
Really? What do you usually do?
First, I check notification, chat with my friend, and which is video. Sometimes I use AI for studying.
Okay, I think many people can live without their phones now. Today topic is artificial intelligence or AI.
Interesting, because now everything is AI.
It really seems like everyone is using AI these days.
It's true, and the apps on your phone use AI.
So, what is AI?
AI is technology of the help computer run and solve problem like people.
For
Okay.
example, what AI do you use?
I usually use ChatGPT or Gemini to look things up the Google Translate and then Google Maps. I use AI for everything.
Okay, so do you think AI is important for students?
Yes, because AI helps a student understand or listen and find information.
Okay, I agree. But aren't students supposed to study on their own?
Right, AI is a tool to assist you, not a reference for your brain.
Have you ever created an image using AI?
I think I help actually. I made a cartoon version of myself.
Seriously? What do you think is it good?
It's so cute. I even made it my profile picture and dressed up.
Haha, that's cool. If give it a try later.
You have to try because it's fun.
Okay, so AI can do a lot of things.
AI can do many things now. We can edit photo, edit video, and even create video with AI.
That's really cool. We can even make video without recording anything.
Yes, we just type what we want and the AI create the video.
I still like making my own video.
I prefer you. Actually, it's more fun.
I have a funny question for you.
Okay, what is it?
Nowadays, many people say, let's ask ChatGPT first. Have you ever said that? And what do you think about it?
I do a quick often. I think it helps, especially if you don't understand the reason.
Oh, okay.
My friends always say ChatGPT know everything. What do you think about that?
Haha, I've heard that too.
I think ChatGPT very helpful, but I don't know everything.
That's right, because there is definitely a mistake.
That's why we should always check in information.
Okay, be honest, what do you usually ask ChatGPT to do?
I asked ChatGPT to help me choose song, choose food, and even other random times.
Really? That's funny.
Yes, sometimes I can decide to ask ChatGPT. Maybe next time you should ask ChatGPT to choose your lunch.
Haha, that's not a bad idea. Before we end, do you have any advice for students?
Yes, use AI wisely. Learn from it, but don't depend on it too much.
I agree. I ask it a great tool, but our own ideas are still important.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for coming, Devina, and thank you everyone for listening to our podcast. See you the next time.